not sad. Are you sad? All right, we're gonna sing a song. You wanna sing a song? Here we go.